Hello, my name is Asis, and I'm proud to be the first recipient of the Defense and Security Award from the PNDC, and it happens to have my name, so there's a lot of responsibility being associated with that particular award. So I wanted to tell you all that I'm a founding member with 11 or 12 other business folks in the community, and we saw a need to put together an organization to represent the different companies who want to do business with the government and want to be able to learn, and have an organization that will provide the networking and the resources to be better suppliers to any opportunities that are available to these businesses. Benchmade Knives is a world-class manufacturer of edged cutlery handheld tools, and believe it or not, a knife is just not a knife. A Benchmade is a very, very precise tool, and we feel very much at home in the aerospace and defense world. Benchmade is very proud to be a founding member.
I'm Lori Owen, president of Miles Fiberglass and Composites. We're a family-owned business. We make composite component parts for the transportation industry and the railcar industry. The Asis Security Defense Leadership Award is given to those that exemplify exceptional leadership and service to the organization. This candidate definitely deserves that. He has done so much for PNDC, making it better and stronger.
Silicon Forest Electronics is an electronics manufacturing services provider. That means that we build circuit board assemblies and electromechanical subassemblies that go into defense, aerospace, and a high quantity of unmanned systems. The Defense and Leadership Award for the Pacific Northwest Defense Coalition is something that recognizing selflessness. All of the board members and exec committee do this on a volunteer basis, and while it is a lot of work, it really recognizes those folks that are passionate about the success of the member companies in the organization. This year's recipient is someone who represents those same selfless qualities, someone who has a very big heart about the organization and the success of the member companies, someone who's not unwilling to get involved when the time is right and actions need to be taken. An overall great contributor to the success of the organization for a number of years.
The 2018 recipient of the Asis Security and Defense Award deserves this award for the following reasons. He's been true blue, supporting the group. He's involved, he's put in his time. He's one of the most unassuming and most effective leaders I know. He's just there when you need him, and he really thinks a lot about how he can help, what he can do, and just shows the ethics in business and his own personal ethics at every turn of the day. So I'm really proud to be able to share this award with him, and I congratulate him from the bottom of my heart.
Surprise!
What's up, babe?
How are you?
Congratulations.
What am I winning?
You are the recipient of the 2018 Asis Defense and Security Leadership Award.
You gotta be kidding me. Seriously? Really?
Seriously?
Did you know this was happening? No. Jay, congrats. Jay. That's awesome. That's fantastic. Thank you. That's
Champagne and balloons.
Wow. Thank you so much. Wow.
Hi, my name is Will Massey. I'm the president of Last US Bag Company. We've been a PNDC member for roughly 15 years. We joined PNDC originally because we just didn't understand how to navigate the defense industry. We put together teaming agreements, we put together mentor-protege programs, and all with the help of PNDC, where they could help foster an environment where we could learn from other member companies, we could collaborate with them, we could get insight and information and learn from their mistakes. They would teach us, and then we would package what we needed to do to be able to go present ourselves to military and government buyers for products that we manufactured. So looking at PNDC as a place where they foster the collaboration between companies, and that's really the most important thing that I found with PNDC, was that I was able to network with other companies that had been there before and had done things before that I was looking to do. They were able to give me the information and the mentorship to allow me the opportunity to go do that. Our company benefited greatly from our relationships that we built within PNDC, but also with the guidance and education that PNDC provided. I want to thank PNDC for this award. It's an honor. To share any award with Les's name on it is obviously an honor for me and for our company. And I truly appreciate being recognized for the work we've done with PNDC, but it's really not about one person, it's about the entire group, its entire membership, the leadership, and the staff. So thank you, PNDC. I'm sorry I can't be there. I wish I was. I wish I could all give you a big hug and say thank you, but thanks very much. I appreciate it.